dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charisma. To all my new subbies, thank you for subscribing. So today I'm going to be doing a protective style, and I have been really slacking with my protective styles and my wig tutorials and reviews because the last 3 months of 2017 was just bombarded with new releases with makeup. So I had to put the wigs and the protective styles on the back burner for a minute, but girl, she's back. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I got this quick look, and I mean quick as in like 3 to 4 minutes. Like, this doesn't take any time at all. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
Cracky.